Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you PostFinance how to close account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to close a PostFinance account, what you can do is use the PostFinance app, which is the fastest. Just do it, simply head over and open up the PostFinance application, and then once you're inside, log in with the Face ID if you have already enabled the biometrics, or simply tap on login with your eFinance number and then type in your username or eFinance number, then your password, and you'll be logged to your account. Then once logged in, what you need to do here is tap on more, and then once you're inside there, tap on accounts and banking packages. Then find the account you want to close, and then next to it you'll find the three dots icon. Simply tap on it and choose cancel or close account. It's free and is usually processed in about 2 business days. Then you can use eFinance, which is online banking on a computer, by simply heading over and opening up a browser. Then on the search bar type in PostFinance, then tap on the first link that is shown to you. Then simply tap on login on the top right corner of your screen, and then log in using your eFinance number, username, then password, and then tap on next and log into your account. Once logged in, go to the accounts option, then open manage accounts or similar option, then find the account you want to close and select cancel account by tapping on it. Works the same way as the app, and if you prefer a computer interface. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.